What's up, business warriors? Welcome back to the Manifesting Success Funding channel. I'm Timberly, your guide through the maze of business finance. And today we're diving into a topic that's a game changer for every entrepreneur out there. How to get business credit lines and loans when the banks say no, even if you have credit issues or you're a startup. If you've ever felt the frustration of hitting roadblocks with traditional banks or worry that your credit might be holding you back, you're in the right place. We're about to unlock the vault of strategies that will empower you to secure the funding your business needs to thrive. But before we jump into the treasure trove of insights, can you do me a favor? Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It's your ticket to stay in the loop as we navigate the world of business credit together. Now let's dive into the secrets and strategies that will have banks knocking on your door, eager to fund your business. Ready to turn those no's into a resounding yes? Let's get started. What we'll cover today: the 3C's loan approval formula, how to know you're qualified before you even apply, how to get money as a startup or to grow and expand, how to get financing regardless of your personal credit history quality, how to get funding in 48 hours or less, how to get the best rates and terms, and how to beat the banks and become fundable. We believe that all entrepreneurs should be able to obtain capital. You should know exactly how to get approved before applying. You should know what lenders know about you. You should be able to access all funding options in one place. You should be able to get the money you need when you need it. You should get the most money at the best terms. This video is for you if you're looking for money to grow your business, you've been denied financing or think you will be, you want the easiest and fastest way to get capital, you have credit issues, or you're a startup looking for money. You're paying too much interest now and need to lower your payments. You want the best money, the most money at the best terms to start or grow your business. I'm sorry, but this video is not for you if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you expect money to fall from the sky with no work or qualification, you're dreaming of starting a business, but you're not ready yet. A little about me: my name is Timberly Wanamaker. I'm a mom of two. I'm the owner of 3 businesses, including Manifesting Success Enterprises. I have 15 plus years of being fully self-employed. I opened the first pediatric therapy center in Harlem. Since then, I've employed over 20 speech pathologists, occupational therapists, and special educators. I'm a business loan broker. I'm a business credit specialist, and I'm hoping to use my knowledge as a self-employed person and a business loan broker to help fund 1,000 small businesses within the next year. As a bonus, for staying to the end of this video, you'll receive a no-cost business loan consultation with a finance specialist to get pre-approved. You can set this up using a link that I'll provide near the end of the video. Getting money for your business is hard. Per the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, more than half of businesses will fail in 5 years or less of their opening date. 82% of business failures are due to issues with cash flow. And a staggering 90% of business owners agree that availability of loans is a problem. 51% of small business owners worry weekly about capital. Weekly. I'm trying to take some of that worry off of your plate. Getting funding for your business. You must have access to funding to grow your business. Bottom line. After the 2008 economic shift, Dodd-Frank required banks to tighten lending standards. As a result, alternative lending sources poured into the space with a 25% higher approval rate than bank loans. There's more funding available today for small businesses than ever before, but most lenders only offer one type of funding, making it difficult to access what you need. There are many types of financing you may qualify for right now, such as revenue lending, merchant cash advances, account receivable financing, purchase order financing, startup unsecured business financing, 401k financing, securities financing, commercial vehicle financing, commercial real estate financing, equity investments, inventory financing, equipment financing, SBA loans, term loans, business lines of credit, and microloans. You must access all legitimate business funding options in one place to get the most money at the best terms. That is the funding hack. Get funding for your business. But how can you know you can get approved? Use the 3C's formula to see if you qualify. Do you have one of the 3C's? Cash flow. Is your business generating $10,000 or more per month? Good personal credit. It used to be most lenders are looking at a 680 as a minimum score. Now I feel like the starting line has moved a bit and they're looking for 720 to be on the safe side. Do you have collateral? Do you have a 401k, commercial real estate that you can pledge against the loan that you're trying to receive? Do you have consistent cash flow? Do you manage your bank account responsibly? Do you have tax returns for 2 to 3 years for your business? Is your revenue and profits growing? Here are some potential funding options for you if you answered yes to those questions. Revenue lending, merchant cash advances, SBA loans, term loans, and credit lines. Do you have good personal credit? Or do you have a guarantor with good personal credit? Do you have revolving credit now with history? Do you have a lot of inquiries? Here are some potential funding options for you. Startup unsecured business financing, business lines of credit, SBA microloans. Do you have business or personal collateral? Or do you have a guarantor who does? Here are some potential funding options for you. Account receivable financing, purchase order financing, 401k financing, securities financing, inventory financing, and equipment financing. You must have cash flow, collateral, or credit to get business funding. If not, business credit is your best alternative. You can also consider these options to explore on your own: grants, crowdfunding, angel investors, and venture capital. The bigger the loan, the harder it is to qualify. It's best to determine exactly what you need money for and how much. Specifically, I put an example together. I need computers that will total $2,000, office supplies at $5,000, furniture at $6,000, vehicles at $22,000, marketing at $3,000, equipment $18,000, payroll $6,000. So I need a total of $62,000. So my target for funding for my business, considering the needs I have for the money, would be $65,000 minimum, so that I can cover what I need, invest it into my business, and grow my revenue. Excuse me. Improving your fundability. Make sure to set up your business where it's fundable. Some fundability factors include the type of entity you have, the type of phone number you use, if your phone number is listed in certain directories like 411, the type of address you use for your business, the types of licensing you may have, the congruency of your records. Everything must match. If you have an address on this document for your business, it has to be on the same. It has to have the same address on the other documents for your business. Congruency matters. The types of references you have, whether your bank account is set up, the way your website and email are set up, numbers you have like your EIN, DUNS number, and your business identification number. Depending on your business, you might not need a business identification number, but I'm mentioning it for the businesses that do. Even the slightest change to one fundability standard can turn a denial into an approval or an approval into a denial. Even if you are fundable, most loan applications get denied because of potential fraud concerns, not because you don't qualify. Lenders fight fraud by matching your company and application details against other data they have from places like LexisNexis, which is a third-party reporting agency, Dun& Bradstreet, Experian, the SBF, or the Small Business Financial Exchange, SBFE. Equifax and check systems. Let me give you a real world example. I applied for a vendor account and I was denied because my LexisNexis report and my check system reports, they're both locked down like Fort Knox. I have security freezes on them, and this particular lender verifies their information against these reports. So being that they couldn't verify anything, they thought I was a fraud and they denied me. So when I reached out to the reconsideration department, I'm like, hey, why'd you decline me? And they told me they couldn't verify any of my information. I was like, oh, yeah, security freeze. Anyway, I lifted it and they rechecked everything and I was approved with a $5,000 limit for, I think it was a fuel card, that one. But yeah, so fundability is very important. How we can help you get funding for your business. We help you access all legitimate funding options in one place. Remember that list of lending sources? Revenue lending, merchant cash advances, accounts receivable. It's the same list I mentioned earlier in the video, but guess what? We have access to all of these funding options in one place. Our finance team can help you get financing, determine funding you can qualify for now, find the best finance product and lending source, work with lenders to get you approved, negotiate the rates and terms for you, use our volume to get discounts, and develop a finance blueprint roadmap to SBA loans. You can get funding if you have any of the 3 C's. Access money even when you don't have any of the 3 C's. You can improve all aspects of your fundability to get approved. You never need to look for funding again. We provide funding in less than 72 hours. High-risk industries, nonprofits, startups, credit issues, you can still get approved. Accessing all of these funding benefits in one place is a near priceless solution. If you're looking to get money for your business, you can start today for only $0. It's $0 to be considered for business funding. That's right, we don't charge fees to submit you for funding. You have to have one of the 3 C's in place. You can expect to pay rates and fees with each lending source. There's no way around that. Each lender charges an origination fee or processing fee. Those are their fees, and you will be responsible for paying those, of course. You can get started here, www.manifestingsuccessfunding.com. You can call us at 800-340-5526, or you can drop us an email at info@manifestingsuccessenterprises.com. So how to get business credit lines and loans when the banks say no, and even if you have credit issues or are a startup. As promised, you can get pre-approved here on the website, manifestingsuccessfunding.com. You can drop us a call, you can drop us an email, and your free consultation, as promised, is available at this link. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep the information coming. I'll put all the links that you need in the description box below. See you in the next video.